Welcome back to another episode of Audrey's Kitchen. I am Audrey. In my video, I am trying to show you the basic recipe. Today, I am going to show you hak bhaji, that is Assamese way of leafy vegetable stir fry. This is a very simple and quick recipe, and it is a very healthy recipe also. These vegetables are from my mother's garden. It is totally organic. Let's cook. For this recipe, you can use any green leafy vegetables. I have one big bowl of mixed leafy greens, one small bowl of diced potato, one medium size of red onion, 1 or 2 slit green chilies, 5 to 6 pieces of garlic cloves, and 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. In a cast iron pan, heat up the oil, half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, garlic, add sliced or chopped onion. Fry for a few seconds. Dice potatoes. Stir it. Add chilies. Salt as per your taste. Finally, add the leafy greens. Hold softly while chop the greens. The juice should not come out from the leaf. If you want, you can add turmeric powder also. Mix it well. Control the flame. Cook in low heat. Cover till potato cooks. Our hak bhaji is ready to eat. Now I am going to try it. You can serve this leafy vegetable with main course, that is white rice, as a side dish with other accompaniments. It is really very tasty. You can feel the freshness inside your mouth. Amazing. If you like my recipe, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.